Hola everyone! Want to know how to use our amazing coconut creme cleanser with papaya and moringa? You're in the right place. This amazing creamy cleanser is full of our botanical oil blend of virgin coconut, macadamia, sikedi and dilo oils, along with moringa and papaya extract to draw impurities out of the skin, unclog pores while brightening your skin tone and not stripping it of essential moisture. How do you use this amazing cleanser? Just open up the tube, place a little bit in your hand on your fingertips like so. You then want to mix it with just a little water, rub it in gently and then evenly distribute all over your face and neck like so, massaging it all over so that you can lift off any makeup and impurities from the day. That amazing papaya extract is going to really brighten up your skin tone whilst it helps draw out those pore clogging impurities. Then you have the amazing cleansing oils of virgin coconut oil and moringa as well, in addition to them nourishing and hydrating your skin all at the same time. Once you've done that, you want to take a damp cloth and wipe it over your face and neck to lift everything off. Look at that, just one wipe and it completely cleans everything off your skin. All of those environmental factors that affect the aging process, all of that makeup on your skin, it just completely cleanses your skin, but it still feels amazing, supple and soft, which is of course what we want. So it looks brighter, everything's gone, ready for your next step in your skincare routine.